Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Live Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today, I just felt like I want to give you guys a little live trading today, so you guys can see how I actually trade. This is gonna just be probably the first hour of the day, and after that, that's it. All right. So I'm gonna be looking at different stocks right now. I'm looking at ATXI. I do have others on watch. It's not many that I have on watch. I have Sava on watch, but it's light volume. But ATXI look like it's very promising. We have some high volume going through it on the 1 minute chart, and it's a recent reverse split, so we can potentially get a nice trade on this one. So let me see. I want to see what's the float and all the other stuff, all the other good stuff on this. All right, so where is it? Okay, float is very small, so we can definitely get something going on this one. So for this trade, I'll go in with a size of 500. Okay, we get some momentum. Is it real? I don't know yet, but I'll keep an eye on it. It wants to go. It looked like it's ready to make a move. And this went to a high of 592. So potentially, if we can break over 592, we can probably see a good run. But we're getting a little pullback. Just putting this here for reference, so I, have something visually that I can look at, get a good sense of where it's at. So I don't think if it do break over this, I don't think I'm gonna take the trade, because it don't look like it's solid yet. It don't look like a solid movement as yet. So if it breaks, I'll probably wait for the first pullback, probably. But I'll see how this one turns out. And as you can see, it's a high level red candle. High volume, I should say, high volume. Not really. I guess it's light, but the first candle being red on the day might be a little bit shaky for me. But let's see. It's on my scanners, and as you can see, price action look like it want to go, but it could be a false one. But we'll see. Let's see what my chat room is talking about. If there's anything else to potentially have on watch. Say they said Tesla. I'm not trading that. Too expensive for me. AMC. Let me check out AMC. Give me a second. Let me put this on a side chart. Okay, AMC popping. Nice pop. And as you can see, this looks like it wants to go. I could potentially take a trade on it. But it seemed like it's top heavy. Like it wants to go, but it's pulling back. Okay, let's see the SPY. SPY looking good today. Okay, get some nice volume. It looked like, okay, we got that pop over. Okay, is it a false break or is it going to continue? It looked like it's going, but I really don't like the way how it played out. Price action played out. So for now, I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna check out AMC. AMC look like it wants to make a move. Got Sava on watch, AMC, and I also have ATXI. Okay, squeezing. Okay, so, and those white line, this line, and this line was from the previous day. Turn it down. It's probably kind of loud. From the previous day, where is that? over here. So not the previous day, but the day before yesterday. So if we can break over that, we could potentially see a bigger move. But let's see. We get some push momentum. Getting a squeeze. Nice squeeze. But anyway, if we get a nice pullback on this, I'll potentially take another trade. We're in the field of resistance. Let's see if it can hold up. You see on the level 2, there's a lot of buying pressure on the bid. People's holding it up, trying to push it higher. Yeah, so I'm gonna need a pullback on this one. Let's see what my chat room is talking about. They ain't talking about nothing right now. So the only thing that's really popping right now, or of some significant, is ATXI. And let's see. We could potentially get a nice trade out of this. Let's see on the daily chart how this looks. Oh, we gapped up. Nice gap. Gap and go. And usually I would take the trade here on the break off the high of day. But the reason why I didn't take it was because the way how the candle and the volume kind of started out. It's light volume. And then we got the bigger, high volume here. The light volume here. And a little, it's not even a big difference. It was literally kind of close. I was like, you know what? I'm not sure if this is a fake out. And when we was looking to potentially see how it was moving, you can see these whipsaw. It went up, came back down. It went back here and came right back down. And then even on these candles right here, you can see a little bit of, resistance in terms of it's trying to get pushed back down. But that's why I didn't take the trade. So I was being cautious, and we'll see how it plays out. So if we get a nice pullback, a nice 5-minute pullback, then I'll potentially look for an entry. And I'm starting off small because I'm still kind of iffy about it. Still kind of iffy. And that sound you hear in the background is just my charts. I mean, not my charts, my scanners in the background that's alerting me. So don't mind it. Please don't mind it. Let me see if I could turn it off for now. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off for now. I think I got all of it. But yeah, overall, this made a nice move. We're getting a little pullback. So I don't like the way how this got pushed back. Like that. I don't like the wickiness right here. It's not a big wick, but I don't like when it goes up and it kind of give back that much. But it seemed like the stock is like used to like doing this, but we'll keep it on watch. But I'm gonna pause this video, and when I find a good setup, then I'll resume this video. Like I said, this is a live trading. I'm not going to edit it or anything like that. It's raw. So once I see something, I'll tune back in. Okay, guys, we're back. So ATXI halted on a circuit breaker. Didn't expect that move, but gotta expect the unexpected. So we're gonna see how it plays out. The resumption. So they're supposed to be resuming at what time? I think 9:47. Yeah, so 9:47 this should resume. We'll see what can possibly happen. I kind of wish I would have gotten a little bit earlier, but the price action didn't give me any sign of me taking that chance of actually jumping in. So it is what it is. We'll see how it plays out. And if anything, we just getting on a pullback, a 5-minute pullback, and see if it could potentially go any higher. So we have what, 1 more minute until this resume. So far I'm still looking at AMC, and I'm also looking at Nvidia. It's a little bit more expensive, but you can get good plays off Nvidia when you're on the right side of it. It do move very hard, fast, and you can easily lose a lot of money with it, and also you can gain a lot of money with Nvidia. But we still have this on watch. So right now, let's look at Nvidia real quick. You know, Nvidia holding up pretty well. Nice move up. So one thing left is to wait for an entry. But right now, the stock that's on watch is ATXI. So I'll keep an eye on that for now. We got a couple minutes. Okay, let's see. Probably might get a scalp off of it. I'm not looking to hold this for too long if it resume, but it all depends. Let's see how this plays out. So 47.31, this should resume. And I'm not forcing anything. I'd rather not take a trade than lose any money. But it should probably go down. But let's see. Or it might squeeze. Okay, so we're gonna squeeze. Another halt. Wow. So this is strong volatility, and to be honest, I'm feeling FOMO. So we're not gonna be. I might probably get off this one until it give a good decent pullback, because this could potentially go to $10. It's moving strong. So this might be the one that everyone is, well, it's not this. This is the one that everyone is paying attention to. So once I find another setup, guys, I'll resume this again. I just want you guys to see the halts while it's actually happening in real time. I'll be back. Let's see. Take a trade. My average is 845. Let's see. Can it hold up? Look like I want to hold up, but let's see. Okay, let's see what it can do. It can easily rip back up quick. It can play both sides. Trying to go. Yeah. I'm talking about. Let's see, can it continue? Can it continue? See, that's what I'm talking about. Look like I want to hold up, but let's see. It look like it's trying to hold levels. Come back down a little bit. Reading the price action. Yeah, so there's some selling here. Reading the price action. Came back a bit much, but this is type of stock. Of course, you're gonna get that pullback. We can also get that push back up for the next leg up. So that's what I'm looking for. Because sometimes I've seen it plenty time before where stocks come down this much and then end up going back to where it came from. So that's why I'm kind of like holding it and just reading price action. If it goes back too much, then you know I'll take the loss, no problem. If we get back over 8, it will show some strength. Can we get back over 8? There's some buying. Question is, can we get back over 8? That's what I'm trying to look for. Is that regain of 8? Can we get that break at 8? Okay, good. And that's, you see, that's the move I'm talking about. You could potentially get these moves so quick. So that's why I wasn't in a rush to sell it, to see if how it moves, reacts. And look, I'm down -7, right? So we'll see how it plays out when it opens up. False halt is going to continue to go higher. Let's see. And let's see how it plays out. Stocks, you have to just play cool. And then, you know, sometimes it's hit or miss, you know. But I want to see that rip. You see a 50, got a big sell of 55. And we get that break. There we go. I'm resistant there. $50, can we get that break and keep going higher? 55, come on. 60, 70. Take partial. I took partial. I didn't get fill. Oh man, I sold my whole shares. Oh my god, but yeah, guys, wow, I'm pissed off. Anyway, I'm gonna get off this computer right now. I'm gonna take a break. I might just stick out and just watch and see how this move. But I did not want. I want to sell. That was my fault. That was definitely my fault. Oh my god. But anyway, halt it again. We'll see how it play out. I might jump in again and see how it works out in my favor. But hold on, I'll be back. Take a walk real quick. But guys, as you can see, day 22 of the small account challenge. Don't need to do any recap because you guys see the live proof in front of your face. So green on the day, 300 and some change. And I only traded one stock and one stock only. In the beginning of the move, I was feeling some FOMO on ATXI, but I got some FOMO, and the second leg of the trade, which is when I trade, I fumbled the bag. I made money and I'm grateful, but I fumbled the bag because I was not trying to sell all my position. I went in with 1,000 shares and I was trying to sell half, and I thought that I sold half, but I got lost in the sauce. So I think FOMO played a part of it, but that's about it, guys. I probably will continue trading, but this is the end of the road for you guys. So smash the like button, smash the subscribe button if you like this video, like you like these content, so I can make more content like this and provide it to you guys, okay? So, by the way, this is not the regular camera. My DSLR died, so I'm using my little webcam. But thanks for tuning in, guys. It's Key Live Trading. Peace.